Whoa! Something a little bit different for you guys today. This is a 1/8 scale brushless truggy, and this is from Remo Hobby. It's called the EVO-R. Now, I don't think I've filmed anything from these guys before, so I'm quite excited to see what this is like. It's a pretty big looking RC car. So I just got the transmitter out of the box. As you can see, it's quite a hefty piece of kit. Oh, that is pretty nice. Look at the bodywork on that, and look at these beadlock tyres. They're really nice. Tyres seem to have quite a lot of grip on them. Like I said, it is a truggy, so... So of course this is a ready to run truck, and everything you need comes in that box. You can see it's quite a hefty RC car. It's pretty massive actually. I'd also say it weighs quite a lot. I mean, look at those shocks. The arms and suspension look really quite nice. Got a nice big thick bumper at the front. Oh, I've just spotted those aluminum shocks. And again, more aluminium shock caps. Aluminum. You've got dog bones, they're steel, metal, nice and strong. So I suppose I better mention the company that kindly sent me this in the mail. Now this is Banggood.com. Now the link will be right down below if you want one of these trucks. What do you guys think to it? Ultimately, I think it looks absolutely awesome. So there's not a lot of return on the front shock, so we will change that by putting some of these tensioners in later on, just to make sure that you get the right return on this so that it's not bogging down and smashing into the terrain too hard. Incoming! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my god, here it comes! Whoa! First impressions. I mean, ultimately, it looks absolutely awesome, right? That wing is huge. You've got some decent shocks on this thing, some nice metal components. The body looks pretty cool. The wheels and tyres look great. You know, the shocks look fantastic. They look very similar to another major brand in the market, and the arms do as well. So let's have a look under this body now and see what's inside. So moving down from that enormous wing on the back, you've got the brushless motor. Now this is 3,300 kV and it's powered by a 60 amp Hobby Wing waterproof ESC. And just underneath the wiring kit there you can see the radio receiver. Now that is a 3-channel and it's 2.4 GHz, and you've got the power switch on off as well. Now moving further forward, you can just about see in black there, that's the 12 kilogram metal geared steering servo, which will move those front wheels for you left to right. And on the other side of the truck, you can see that there's the 2-cell, 4,200 milliamp hour Lipo. Now this is a 35C discharge, comes with the truck, and it should be good for about 25 minutes of runtime. Now in the centre of the truck right there, you can see that blue drive shaft. Now that is controlling the 4-wheel drive system from the motor. There is a metal hardened steel diff in the rear and up front as well. So it's quite a strong layout. Then you can see the arms, you can see the skid plate, you can see the chassis, you can see the steering linkage and the servo. You can see the drive shaft coming through, and the front skid plate and arms as well. Bloody hell! if you're interested in one of these trucks for this sort of money, take a look right down below in the description box. The link will be there to Banggood.com. Take a look for yourself. Thanks for watching this video with me, Jake Billing, guys. As always, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.